What's good, everyone? We are back with another video for you, and today I'm gonna show you how to trade binary option after a moment of consolidation. I promise you guys a super cool and tons of useful tricks. Also, guys, I'd really appreciate if you like this video and leave your comments down below, because believe me, each of your like and comment motivate me a lot to continue making such videos, especially for you. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on the upcoming videos. By the way, in the description below this video there's a link to sign up for pocket option with a gift bonus 50% on your deposit, absolutely free. You will also find a link to my Telegram and my private Telegram channel where we're having a money boosting marathon before the holidays to earn and boost your deposit from $100 to $2,000. So don't forget to do it. Join this marathon and start making money with me. So let's now go straight to business. Let's go to pocket option, and what we see here, the currency pair Australian dollar Swiss franc, we can see that from 10.50 to 12 the price was going upwards and when changed its direction and went into consolidation. Let's make a down trade for $500 for 1 minute. So let's break it down. The price is in a major upward movement. When the price reached the resistance level at about 12, it went down to bands of the support level and rise even more. But it went into consolidation and never really bounced back. Let me remind you that a consolidation is a sideways price movement. In other words, we remember that the price is always in a wave-like movement. But in our situation, the price went a little sideways, and now it will restore the zigzag movement again. So you can see how our trade closed at profit, and we increased our balance by $460. If we look at the chart from 12.4 to 12.14, that is the last 10 minutes, we can see that the price went sideways. When came down a little to bounce off the support level, but failed to do so. That's why we're making another $500 down trade. Since I assume that the price in this case will continue to gain strength and when reverse and finally go up, whereby restoring its basic movement, which is in upward movement. On this chart, we see that at that moment the value of our price is higher than the value when we made our trade. But here is a red candle going down, and our trade closed at profit almost in the last seconds, and we increased our budget by $460. So accordingly to the shadow of the green candlestick, we can see that it's approximately at the same level at the previous support, so we can assume that the price at this time has gained the strength to bounce and move up. Let's make one more trade for $500 to raise the price also for 1 minute. What I mean to say is that after the consolidation, the price cannot rise sharply upwards immediately. Before it also moved upwards. It needs to go down a little bit in order to gain strength and bounce up. On the chart, we see that the green candlestick are very active, which proves to us that this move was enough for the price to bounce up after the sideways movement. And now we see that our trade closed at profit and we earn another $400. We can see on the chart that price is resisting a bit and may went to reverse in order to reach the next support level, which means that it will go down a bit and when gain strength again for the good bounce and rise even more, restoring its basic upward movement. So we can see that we actually got a little hasty in entering the trade, and our price went into a little sideways movement, and apparently the price isn't going to rise further, but instead is planning to bounce off from the resistance level in order to reverse and go down. Well, we see that our trade closed at profit and we have increased our balance by another $460. So guys, analyzing the chart, we can see that the price has indeed reached another resistance level and will now restore its zigzag movement. And just on the chart, we can see that a new zigzag is forming. The actively growing red candle changes color to green. And here we also enter a new down trade for $500 because we will wait for the price to reach the next support level or the lower point, and when it will pull back in order to grow well above the previous resistance level, meaning the previous upper point. So we see a fairly active rising red candle. Our price is still quite actively falling. That is, our task is to catch the slightest fluctuations and deviations of the price and to make trades by following the price. That is, if we assume that our price will reach the support level or go down, we make a down trade. If we assume that the price pushes away from the support level to reach the next resistance level, when we make an up trade, was following the price in the same way. Let's go back to the chart. We see that with the appearance of a next candle, our trade is once positive, and we have once again increased our budget by another $460. If we analyze the chart from 12/12, we can see that our price is starting to regain its upward movement. And every price support level, meaning every lower price value point, is higher than the previous one, exactly as every upper price value point or support level is higher than the previous one. Wherefore, we expect the reversal and growth of the price as the price has reached the next support level and will move upwards to reach the next resistance level. Yes, indeed, not every moment to enter trade is clear cut, especially when I enter trade one after another. But I like that kind of active trading. Yes, on the other hand, you can wait longer if you're not sure of the moment to enter trade. It's better to wait for that moment when you're sure and make a trade when. As for me, I'm always prepared for the fact that if my trade goes negative, I'll make another trade, increasing the amount of my trade. By doing so, I will compensate my previous minus. So friends, going back to the chart, we see that our price has risen well enough and our next trade closed at profit. And we have in our account another $460. Today, for total trading communication, we have increased our deposit by $2,800. My friends, once again, I'd like to say that you should never be in a hurry. I record active trading sessions for you, firstly because I like live trading, and secondly because I have experience and the opportunity to trade at this very pace, because I know that I'll do if my trade goes negative. I know that I'll always be able to earn more and get my money back. But I sincerely do not want you to fall for gambling and lose your entire deposit. So please observe the principles of money management and risk management, as well as wait to enter the trade, to choose this clear moment to enter the trade. So that moment in which you will be unequivocally sure. To help you start your own way in trading, I left some useful links for you in the description below this video. First of all, a link to sign up for pocket option with the bonus 50% on your deposit absolutely free. Also, there is a link to my Telegram where you can ask me all your questions, and also a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my trading winning signals on a daily basis. As well as there is a money boosting marathon going on this channel, so you could increase your deposit from $100 to $2,000 in a week. So take place in my Telegram channel right now. Do not miss this opportunity to earn money with me. Guys, if you like this video and got something useful from it, please don't hesitate to like it and write absolutely any comment down below, like dota, comma, smiley face, whatever you like. It will help me to support my channel, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on the upcoming useful and interesting information in the future. Guys, that's been it for today. I'm saying goodbye to you and see you in the next interesting video.